Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I am doing another bloom technique in the style of Kathleen Miller, and she does a drizzle, swipe, wreck, spin. So we are going to do that today, and we are using the black topper. That's the Amsterdam Oxide Black. This is what I use for that. And then I have 3 primary elements. So I am using Persimmon, ginger flower, and key lime. There's the dot of it. All right. Also, I have mixed up some Arteza gold. Look, I'm almost out. It's so flat, but I still keep using it. Love this stuff. So, and I also have Amsterdam Magenta. So, excuse me, guys. All right, so the first thing you do is you put down your pillow paint, which all my materials are listed below. And I have a basic tutorial for mixing all this stuff up that I will link in the description box. But this is the Sherwin Williams paint with a little floetrol in it. And so then you just put that down and cover your sides with it. And then just drizzle paint around however you want. Pretty random. So this is the Arteza gold. All right, here's the primary element, key lime. Just for some brightness. We are hopefully going to the Keys if things calm down by the end of the year. In the fall, we'll see. You never know. I've been, but it's been like 30 years since I went to the Keys. It is just amazing. We rented a convertible and went across the bridge, you know, like long bridge. So it's like an hour and a half from the first island to the Key West, with the most crazy beautiful views. Almost said blooms. I got this bloom on my mind. So hopefully things will calm down. If they won't, we'll reschedule it for next spring. It's just nice to have something to think about. All right, so just spreading it around. This is that magenta, I believe. No, it's not. This is that primary elements. Which one? Ginger flower. Here's the Amsterdam magenta. I thought it would go good with the ginger flower. Okay, and now the Persimmon. That's the last color I have today for this. Okay. All right, so I have my playing cards that I'm going to dip into the seal activator, which the seal activator is just the Amsterdam Black and floetrol. I didn't put the Minwax in it today. I wonder if I'm going to regret that. Hope not. All right. Now I'm just going to dip the card in the cell activator and swipe it. So I forgot to say that I have a 10 by 10 canvas today. It's a square. Then just wipe your card off before you dip it again. You know, getting some cells, but not as much as I would if I had the Minwax in here. I'm going to add the Minwax. I'll be right back. Okay, I got my Minwax conditioner. I'm just going to put a couple drops in there. Well, it's about five drops. Mix it up real good. Getting a fresh card, so we'll see if this makes a difference. All right, so I missed a few places. Just gonna go back. See if I can't. So a lot of black in the middle. I'm trying to rectify that, but it doesn't seem to be helping much. All right, now we're going to give it a couple minutes to develop, and then we will wreck it, and then we will spin it. Be right back. Okay, so while I gave it a couple minutes to develop, I just put lids on all my paints, so I'm all cleaned up for that, and now I am going to wreck it. I'm just going to use my palette knife and just kind of random. Okay, I think that's good. And now we will spin it. I've spun it clockwise and counterclockwise. Mix it up. All right, well, I think the swiping didn't go as smoothly as usual, probably because I forgot to put the Minwax stuff in there at first. But I do love the colors that are coming through here. I even like the pink streak. So, and I'm glad some of the black has kind of calmed down because it was so much black. So let's spin it just a couple more times. Have it a couple more times the other direction. All right, I think it is done. Let's see. Oh wow, this is really pretty. I had my doubts before I spun it. I didn't think it was going to be very much at all, but yes, I love it. All right. Which way does it go? All right. Let me bring you in for some close-ups, and you guys can let me know what you think. All right. Let's get some close-ups of this. For a little while there, I thought I wasn't going to like it at all, but now I do. I love it. So it's just got to mellow out a little bit and spin. So just a reminder, just make sure your sides are completely covered. there were a couple of sides on this that were not covered, so I just made sure immediately that they were covered. So, yay. You can always fix it while it's wet. That's the best time to do it. So, okay. There's the lower right. I love that persimmon color, the kind of orangey, tangerine-y. And it does not have too much black now. I really thought it was going to have too much black. There's the upper right side. There's so many different types of cells and shapes of cells, especially because when you wreck it, it really wrecks it and makes it wonderful. So, all right, guys, there it is. Oh, I like that right there. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous colors. All right, guys, just let me know what you think, what you'd like, what else you'd like to see, and I'll try to make that happen. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.